Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking 3-cup chicken noodles or 三杯鸡面. So let's start cooking. Now we'll do a light seasoning on our chicken. I have with me over here 280 grams of boneless chicken leg cut into cubes like this. Add in half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and a few dashes of pepper. Mix them up well. We'll set this aside and prepare to put our dish together. Now we put the dish together. Heat up your pan or wok. I'm using a 32 cm non-stick wok. This is part of La Gourmet Shogun Twister family set. Put in 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. I'm using medium heat now. Put in 20 grams of sliced ginger. We need to flavor the oil. It's okay not to heat up the oil way too high because we just want to bring out the flavor of the ginger. If the pan gets too hot, reduce the heat. We'll just fry this until the ginger is a little bit brown. And then we'll just remove the ginger. We want this oil to be really very nicely flavored. This will take maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. Just slowly pan fry them. Remember not to heat up the oil way too much because we just want to release the aroma from the ginger. If it gets too hot, just reduce the heat. I've been changing the heat from medium to low. When I see the pan smoking, I'll reduce the heat down. Once the ginger are brown like this, and you can smell the beautiful aroma from the ginger, we'll remove the ginger. Of course, if you would like to eat the ginger, by all means do so, yeah? No problem at all. Now we'll turn the heat back up to medium. Swirl the oil around a little bit. We'll pan fry our chicken now. Put in your chicken. Spread them out. Let them sear for a while. This dish will be very fragrant because I left the skin on, and the skin fats will make this dish really tasty. We'll cook the chicken until they are about 80% done. I can already smell how beautiful this is. So just stir them around a little bit. Once you have browned it a little like this, we'll turn it around to the other side. Once you have done this, we'll add in our garlic. We'll add in 4 cloves of garlic chop. Mix them up a little. Look at how beautiful this is. Now we'll add in our noodles. I'm adding in 450 grams of su mian or yellow noodles, or they call it Hokkien noodles too. These are cooked noodles. Of course, you can use udon or ramen or even dried noodles, but remember to blanch them first. For this, we don't have to blanch it because they are cooked. Add in 3 tablespoons of hua tiao jiu, or Chinese cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Do try to get premium dark soy sauce because it's not very salty and it tastes really absolutely delicious. Now we add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Give them a good stir. Now we add in a little bit of water, 20 milliliters of water. Very easy dish to cook and very delicious. I'll toss the noodles now. Make sure they are mixed up really well. Now we add in a small bunch of Thai basil. If you do not have Thai basil, you can use sweet basil leaf, it's fine. This will give this dish a very special aroma. Very nice. Now add in your favorite greens. I'm using Thai sim or choy sum over here. Add them in. Mix them around. The vegetables cook pretty fast, so we don't have to cook this for very long. Basically the dish is already done. We just need to cook the greens. And now the dish is done, we'll have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, very aromatic. Try the noodles. The unique flavor from the Thai basil. This is very nice. Chicken. Tender. Oh, this dish is really nice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.